1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Price: $12,750. Location: Tennessee. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible is a true symbol of American luxury and style from the golden age of classic cars. Finished in its original raven black paint, this car delivers a bold and timeless presence that instantly captures attention. Its long, low body lines combined with elegant chrome accents reflect the signature design language that made the Thunderbird an icon in the 1960s. The interior continues that legacy of sophistication with a full black color scheme that perfectly matches the exterior. Inside, you'll find comfortable bucket seats in the front and a spacious rear bench, offering both style and practicality. Features like power windows, a center console, and a classic two-spoke steering wheel create a driving experience that feels both vintage and refined. The performance of this Thunderbird is powered by a strong V8 engine with the desirable Z-code configuration, paired with an automatic transmission and equipped with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. This car offers smooth acceleration and reliable cruising power. With power steering included, driving this classic feels effortless whether you're on city streets or open highways. The exterior details add even more charm, with shiny chrome bumpers, trim accents, and dual exhausts that give the car a subtle yet powerful character. The steel wheels with Thunderbird hubcaps are wrapped in Cooper Trendsetter SE white line tires, maintaining its authentic classic look. A full-size spare tire is also included, making it ready for longer journeys. The 1966 model is especially significant as it marks the final year of the fourth-generation Thunderbird, often referred to as the Flare Bird. One of its most eye-catching features is the sequential rear turn signals, a unique design that still fascinates car enthusiasts today. This feature alone makes it stand out among other classic vehicles of its era. The car is currently in running and driving condition, offering a great opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history. While it may need some cosmetic attention before becoming a daily driver, this has already been reflected in its attractive price point. It's a perfect project car with strong potential value. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of style, heritage, and performance. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates classic design, this Thunderbird offers an unforgettable driving experience and a chance to own a true American legend.